Okay, so Python and Python libraries to manage those clusters. Yeah, do the same thing: list, create, delete, and update. The first thing is as you can see in the screen, yeah. So we need install Python 3. Yeah, so I just recommend you to download the latest one. Yeah, so it's very easy download and double click and install, follow the instructions. So I already installed. So if I run Python dash V, yeah, you see I already installed Python 3.11. Yeah, so which is good. And after you install Python, you should also have pip. Yeah, pip is just like a Maven npm is the package. Yeah, so you can run this pip dash version. So yeah, it comes with the 3.11. Okay, okay. So once you have it, we can continue. Okay, so next one is actually optional, but I highly recommend it because when we do the Python coding, yeah, so we better use virtual env. Uh, this is a handy tool just give you a separate environment uh, to run your particular Python. Just if you have worked with Python before, you will got a headache with their dependencies. Yeah, different versions. Yeah, like Java, JavaScript. Yeah, they all have the same. I would say issues. Yeah, but the challenges. Yeah. So virtual env will help you. Yeah. So on the screen you see installing pip. Yeah, we already have it. So installing virtual env. Yeah. For Windows, you can run this. Yeah. Oh, actually, you can if you have people already, you just run this. Yeah. So yeah. So I already installed, so it shows already satisfied. Yeah. If you haven't, the first time there's some message, but eventually you will see it. Okay. Great. So with this, we can continue. Okay. So the next step is install the dependencies. Yeah. So in Python, particularly normally people use requirements txt. Yeah, such file. Yeah, you can also rename it, but the common way like Docker file. Yeah, so it's just rename like we name it as this. Okay, the first step is we do a virtual env. Yeah, normally people call my env. You for sure you can name a different one. Yeah, so click yes. Okay. And in Windows, we can do this. Yeah, to activate, you say is env here. Okay, now in this env environment, okay, we can run this to install the dependencies. So for these requirements, I already prepared for you. Yeah, it's proved they worked. Yeah, for sure. If you welcome to change different versions. Yeah, and actually, if you see some problem, you may have to update the versions at here. Yeah, but uh, as of today, I believe yeah this will work in your local. Yeah, uh, feel free to let me know if you see some issues. Yeah. Okay. The first time it may take a while to get all this done. All we need to do is be patient. Yeah, how fast you can be ready just depends on your computer and your internet. Okay, good. Okay, so by the way, you see, okay, you can, yeah, you can possibly run this, yeah, to upgrade the PIP, but it's optional, not necessary, yeah, but recommended. So now we are ready to go to the next. Okay, so this episode is very optional. Yeah, just it depends on everyone's preference. Yeah, I prefer to use Visual Studio Code, and so the extension. Yeah, so I recommend you install this Python. Yeah, this is official Microsoft. Yeah, so I Python extension for Visual Studio Code. This is very handy. Yeah. You may find something else, yeah, but you can feel free to try. Yeah, to me, I trust the company like this. Yeah, that's why it has a mark here. Yeah, so for some personal, yeah, you can choose depends on the popularity. Yeah, so it's all your choice. Yeah, but highly recommend you install this. Okay, great. We have done all the preparation. And now it's time to use Python code, yeah, to manage Dask clusters. The first thing, yeah, so I already started Minikube. Yeah, I can double check with the Minikube status. Yeah, if it's running, we are ready to go. So the first thing is, okay, it's running. So it's to use Python to list all the Dask clusters. Okay. So in this code, yeah, so it's just how the namespace this and some Dutch clusters. Yeah, so simple code. Yeah, so yeah, we tried this. Yeah, so uh, the mode. Yeah, there's a mode. Yeah, so right now it's connection only, connecting only. What does that mean? This means so try to connect it and when we finish the connection, the cluster will still be there. If you choose default option, yeah, we can see it in later. Yeah, it the class cluster may terminate. It got terminated. Yeah. So, but we just want to do the connectivity check, right? So in this case, so we don't want to terminate. Yeah, after trying the after the connectivity test. Okay. So once this simple code is ready, you can just run it. Okay, so it's creating. Yeah, it's actually it's just uh check if it's there. Okay, yeah, this take a longer time. Yeah, than I expected. Yeah, so found the Dask cluster JC in the namespace user JC. Yeah, after this is yeah. Okay, now it's actually checking the cluster Chris in namespace user Chris. Okay, found. Okay. So yeah, the next one, yeah, is quickly, yeah, very quick because cannot find the Dutch cluster brand in the namespace default. Yeah. So here is the final message. Yeah, okay, we found these clusters in this namespace, but we don't see. Yeah. How to verify? Yeah, so we can use this, yeah, to do a verification. Okay. So you see in the default, we see Ivy and Emily, but we don't see Brian. And in this namespace, we see Chris. In this namespace, we see Jesse. Yeah. So which match this result. Okay. Great. Okay. So the next step is to use Python to create new Dask clusters. Okay. So let's check the Dask. Okay. So we see this. So maybe for the demo purpose, I will delete this thing first. This use Kuba control. Yeah, we learned it before. Okay, then so we check again. So we see, yeah, this running right now. Okay, so now this is the code. Yeah, actually I can do this. Yeah, so just we create two new Dask class, JC in namespace user JC and Chris in namespace user Chris, and then keep that running. Yeah. Uh, oh, actually, yeah. So they yeah. So create the names cluster. We need to make sure namespace create first. So that I have the code here to create the namespace if not exist. Yeah. So now this is the actual code, yeah, here. So we create namespace and we create, yeah, use, yeah, close, yeah, just term disconnect, yeah. For this one, yeah, just the why is different because, uh, see, I only give the name, uh, because I wanna use the default namespace, and the shutdown on close is true. Yeah, by default, this is true. So that means, yeah, disconnect from the cluster and delete the resource. Yeah, delete the cluster. Yeah, so we can say it. Okay, let me write. Okay, this is very familiar. Yeah, so why is pending? Yeah, because this is actually creating. Yeah, so health checking. Yeah, the last one you didn't say because it's already created. So there's this step is skipped. Okay, running now. Okay, so it's actually fast. Okay, that's the first one. 18 yeah, connecting. Yeah. Okay, so the second one is doing the same. Good. Okay. Okay, still running. Okay, great. Last one. Okay, good. So this is just for demo purpose. Yeah, so generally I believe, yeah, you should use this one. Yeah, so you give the namespace, you give the name, and then you make the mode to false. Yeah, shut down on close. Yeah. Okay, great, finish. Okay, let's verify. Yeah, perfect. Okay, we got what we wanted. Yeah. Perfect. Great. Okay. So we have learned how to check and how to create. Okay. So now it's just we want know how to delete. Yeah. So okay, first we want to check the status, and for this one we want to terminate this. Okay. By the way, so this we don't have it, so the program will give you something, yeah, exception, yeah, for that, yeah. So this, again, it's just for demo purpose. Yeah, you can do better. Okay. Yeah, the UI is the same. Yeah. So how do we do that? It's just like we said before. Yeah. So you do the create mode like this, and you this. Yeah. Shut down and close is true. Yeah. So this makes the difference. Yeah. So if they found, then yeah, I found, and we terminate. Yeah. So that's very simple. So this cluster JC in the namespace user JC, we found it, so we terminate. And same for the next one. Okay, found the Chris and terminate Chris. Okay, that one, the last one is quick because there's error because cluster brand doesn't exist. Okay, so yeah, that's error message. Yeah, so but yeah, let's go back to here and check again. Okay, perfect. That's what we need. Okay, great. Okay, we come back. So in the previous videos, we learned how to use Python to list, create, terminate, and the Dask clusters. So this one we want to learn how to update the Dask cluster with Python. Okay, so I already started my Minikube. Yeah, so I can check the status. If it's running, then it's good. Okay. Then I check the Dask cluster status. Okay, right now you see there's a Chris and Jesse. Okay, in user Chris, user Jesse namespace. Okay, we check the pod. Yeah. See right now, Chris only have one worker, JC has one worker as well. Okay, so now, yeah, so for this Python program, so we'll scale up JC Dask cluster to have 5 workers, and for Chris, we want to change it to 10 workers. Okay, so see the code is very simple. Yeah, so the more important things here is the scale. Yeah, okay, so just run this. Let's see. Okay, so you see here is very fast because it's cluster already created before. Otherwise, it take time to create it. Yeah. So now you just do the scaling part. Yeah. Bear with it. Yeah, it should be scale up soon. Okay, good. So the Dask JC scale up to 5 workers. Oh, there's a typo here. Uh, yeah, it should be Jesse, and this way should be Chris. Okay. Okay, perfect. Good. Let's check again. So this, yeah, I see that's still pod. Okay, great. So see Jesse here, one, two, three, four, five workers. Chris here has one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, to 10. Yeah, it's also needed. Great. So in this video, just learn how to use Python to update the Dask cluster.